your living and a dining area. So basically this is your living area. Open kitchen concept makes it inside your bedroom number 1. So before you move in, let me show you the unique. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Jane's 777 project, which is located in Pirangudi, Chennai, a project developed by Jane's. And today we are here to do the sample flight tour. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now we are standing on the actual land parcel of the project, and this is the land parcel where the tower you can check out. So basically the construction work of the tower is completed, almost completed, and it's in near possession. And now about the marketing office. So they have the marketing office in the tower itself on the 4th floor. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So the project is spread across 5 acres of land parcel consisting of 8 towers, and this tower is connecting you from the rooftop with basement ground plus 19 floors, having studio, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Additionally, the project will give you lake facing and sea facing apartments, and additionally even you will be getting lifetime open view with green zone. The project has nearly possession in next 3 to 4 months. Now let's discuss the amenities part, and this project will provide you 80 plus world class amenities like a swimming pool, and that is the infinity pool, indoor games, kids play area, basketball court, yoga and meditation deck, and many more amenities. Now about the location part, and the project is located in Pirangudi, just opposite to Pirangudi Lake. So basically this is the Pirangudi Lake, and this road will connect you towards Pirangudi main road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So let me tell you that you can connect to Pirangudi railway station in just 5 minutes from the project, and even WTC is just 5 minutes away from the location of the project. Now we'll be moving further towards your model flat. So this is your 2 BHK model flat of 1048 square feet super built up area. So here is your main entrance. And before moving in, let me show you, they have provided you with a digital door lock for your security purpose. With this foyer area, you'll be entering towards your living and the dining area. So basically this is your living area. You can check out the living area where they have set up the sofa set in front of the TV unit. And exactly beside it, here's your dining area. So this is your dining area where you can set your dining table exactly in front of your kitchen area. So we'll be moving further towards your balcony, and this is the balcony area with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now moving further towards your kitchen area. So the open kitchen concept makes it more spacious. Here you can add up your platforms, your cabinets, the window which is provided for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area. And now about your bedroom space. So 2 of the bedrooms are right over here. So before moving in, let me show you, even they have added up the touch panels in the bedrooms and living and dining area as well. And this is your bedroom number 1. So you can check out the bedroom once you move in. Here's a huge bed space. Here's your wardrobe space. And beside it is the window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this room. And with the easy access, they have provided the washroom also, the common washroom right place outside the bedroom number 1 with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further towards your master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com, and your master bedroom is right beside your bedroom number 1. So before you move in, let me show you the uniqueness is the wooden finishing flooring over here, and here is the huge bed space. Here's a standing balcony. So basically there's a window, and once you open it, it becomes a standing balcony with iron railing. This is the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. One thing about the wardrobe. So the wardrobe is right next to the standing balcony. That is a window. Now, as you all know, we are here in Pirangudi location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.